What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debru, and today we're going to make a Facebook compliant ClickBank landing page, which obviously needs to make us money. So there are some rules you need to follow in order to get your landing page approved for the ClickBank offer you want to promote. And today I'll show you exactly how it's done. So what we're using today is we're using my free beta of the Debru suite. If you want to join and use this landing page builder for free, you can get it through the link in the description below. Once signed up for free, we go to advertising, landing page builder, and we wait for it to load. Then we're going to add a new landing page and we wait for it to render because there are many. And we're going to scroll down and see Facebook compliant quiz. That is one. And there should be another one. There's another one here. So this is the one which is most often used by affiliate marketers. But I personally really love the views that one. It really converts well for me. So let's say we pick this one and we give it a name ClickBank 1. Just as an example. Right? So the main idea with promoting ClickBank offers on Facebook to make money online is that you need to focus on staying compliant, right? Unless you are a very experienced affiliate marketer with a lot of different ad account methods, experience dealing with ad account bans, going into the more gray hat and black hat scene. So you don't really want to focus on that if you are a complete beginner. And I make these videos on YouTube for beginners, right? Affiliate marketing beginners. So what I would suggest for you to do is focus on more of the white hat compliant verticals, which is basically astrology, woodwork, anything done for you, basically music, well, the astrology, as I said, religion. There are many different verticals which might not be that hyped or have the highest gravity or make the most money, but they will at least allow you to learn successfully over time what is exactly required to run these campaigns, how to run these Facebook ads, and more importantly, be able to run a consistent business. Because if you keep getting banned over and over and over again, it's not really that much of a good experience, I would say. So basically it's quite easy. Here it says manifest your magic, get ready to reveal your success blockers. Take this personal assessment and find out what's really holding you back. It may not be what you think. Step 1, step 2, are you a man, are you a woman? Well, you can just click. Question 2. Women tend to receive compliments different than men. What do you think? Smile. So this is basically a personality quiz, right? And at the end of the quiz, they get redirected to the offer, right? Oh, you're in. Only 1 out of 4 people get their success. But you must not share this, do this, this is this, blah, blah, blah. And this is basically the same thing, the same copy which is shown here. I can show you. As which is shown on the end of this landing page. So basically, what is important is these Facebook landers, they follow a story-based method, right? So if you click through this one, analyzing your results, they're pretty neat landers, right? Especially if you can use them for free by joining the beta program for the Debru suite, link in the description below. And then it will pull up the same story, blah, 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 blah. Maybe it's not rendering now because it's inside the editor. Yeah, so you cannot even refresh this view. But basically it will give you this story as well. Do not share this with anybody else because it's secret, blah, blah, blah. And if you click I agree to watch the video, which basically reveals the secrets, it will push you to the ClickBank offer, which is a video sales letter, which then basically sells you on the offer which they are promoting, right? Very simple. This is for astrology. This one is for power efficiency guide, which is like a battery solar offer. Is it solar? Yeah, helps drastically cut electricity bills. Has to do with batteries or solar, power a home without energy companies. So obviously you would have to make such an image. Strong headline, strong copy, then the questions. What's most important and usually the most difficult for people is not necessarily preparing the copy, the questions and the text, etc. It's more the outline. So the outline of this quiz is already done, and you can very easily change it. Click on edit. You can change the copy like what you want it. So get buy my shit now, right? And that's most important. So let me take you through an example of each of these steps. Let's take this lander and then we'll move on to the second lander, show you another example. So you have the title of the page here, which is not displayed here, right? Here we have a strong headline. Here we have the title followed by a headline. Manifest your magic. You can see it's kind of in a fancy font. Doesn't have to be necessarily, but you can do like unleash your inner power, right? For astrology and stuff, you have to be kind of fake, kind of flowing. And then it says, secret power method unleashed. Ah, that's too long. That's too long. Secret power method. Well, let's just call it secret power method. Take this personal assessment and find out what's really holding you back. Okay, that's fine. All right. This is a little bit of a weird image, but are you a man or a woman? We ask because you're successful may manifest. Okay, so they give the reasoning, right? What usually happens with this quiz, the first one is a yes or no. So you see the same thing here. So here the introduction is strong headline, and then a story-based copy, which is here done by the image with the subheadline, right? The reason why you should fill in this quiz, the reason why you should fill in this quiz, again stated here. Do you or anyone you know work for an electricity company? Yes, no. What happens with these quizzes is the first question is the pre-engager. You need them to engage with the quiz to complete the quiz. And in order to get them to engage, you're not going to ask them a mad complicated question, first of all. So you wouldn't ask, how much do you spend on money on your electricity bill each month? That's a little bit of a direct question as the first question to ask, right? You're not going to go up to a lady and say, you want to fuck? No, you will say, hi, my name is blah, 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 how are you doing, right? Like relative. So you start off slow. Are you a man or are you a woman? It's okay, I don't mind saying I'm a man, right? Women tend to receive compliments differently compared to men. What do you do when someone compliments you? All right, well, what do I do? Well, let's just say, I say thank you, I love compliments. Great. People show gratitude for compliments tend to get more of them and make friends more easily. Also studies. So how do you deal with meeting new people? Whatever you click, it doesn't matter. It just takes you to the next question, right? Whatever you click, it doesn't matter. It just takes you to the same outcome. You're always in, right? These questions, just like these questions, are all related to the offer. It is not meant to make you buy the offer. It is made to engage and pre-frame your mind to get curious about watching the video. So you are thinking about the topic because you are answering these questions, right? How experienced am I? I'm not that experienced, but I do want to cut my cost, right? Oh, then you should watch this video and get this product, buy it for $29, so you make money, they buy it, is the pre-frame, right? So first thing with the quiz is get engaged, then pre-frame them, then show them basically the end copy, get ready for the conversion by watching the video. Then they watch the video, and the video on ClickBank basically pushes them to the conversion. All your job is with this Facebook compliant white hat lender is pre-frame them. That's why the questions are not that aggressive. It's quite smooth, easy, normal transition, makes the user think about the topic, pre-frames them in the right state of mind, pushes them to the offer, and then they convert, right? So that's basically the idea. Not that difficult, not simple. if you thought this was difficult, watch it again. But the pre-frame is very important. Get the engagement going, get them to convert basically. If you want to use these 2 templates I'm showing you in the video, or you want to check it out, check the description down below. You can use this landing page builder right now for free while the Debrew suite is in beta. And if you have any questions about this, drop them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.